How to use XAMPP as localhost. We need to download XAMPP, but first, we need to check if we will use the 64-bit or the 32-bit. To check for compatibility issues, go to My Computer Properties by clicking on the Start button and right-click on Computer and choose Properties. There, we can see if we need the 64-bit or the 32-bit. Once XAMPP is downloaded, complete the installation process for XAMPP. Once the installation finishes, you select the US as language, then save it. XAMPP control panel will automatically launch. In the XAMPP control panel, you need to start the Apache service and the MySQL. Then you're good to go. Make sure that your Apache service and the MySQL service is allowed on the Windows firewall. To check, go to the Network and Sharing Center, then choose Windows Firewall. Then select the Advanced setting. Click the Inbound Rules, and look for the Apache service and the MySQL. Make sure that the two services are enabled. Where to put your website inside XAMPP. Copy or cut your website folder, then go to My Computer, then choose the drive where you installed your XAMPP. The default installation is C. Locate the XAMPP folder in C, and open it. Select htdocs, and paste your website folder inside htdocs. Inside your website folder, make sure you name your first page as index.html so that it will automatically display your website. Once called in the address bar, accessing your website on browser, type localhost on the address bar, and it will redirect you to the XAMPP dashboard. If you want to access or create your database, select the phpMyAdmin. To display your website, change the dashboard name with the name of the folder of your website. You're good to go. By accessing the website using the IP address. If you don't know your IP address, go to the Network and Sharing Center, and select Change Adapter Setting, then right-click on your local area connection, then select Status, then View Details. There you will see your IP address. By accessing your website using IP address, you need to change the localhost name with your IP address and it will redirect you to the XAMPP dashboard page. Then change the dashboard name with your website's folder name. This process is used when you want to access your site from a different computer on the same network. Don't forget to like and subscribe.